Welcome back to Terra Gardens, where we dive deep into plant profile introductions. Today we're going to be talking about Oceanside spinach. Did you know that Oceanside spinach can resist an incredible 16 different races of downy mildew, one of the most devastating diseases that plague spinach growers? This modern hybrid variety represents cutting-edge breeding that combines disease resistance with exceptional flavor and versatility, making it a top choice for both home gardeners and commercial growers alike. Oceanside is a relatively recent hybrid spinach variety developed to address the growing challenge of downy mildew, which rapidly evolves new resistant strains all the time. As this pathogen develops new races quickly, it challenges breeders worldwide to keep pace. Modern plant breeders created Oceanside by crossing carefully selected parent lines to produce a variety with exceptional disease resistance while maintaining the tender texture and sweet flavor gardeners expect. This variety has quickly gained popularity in North America for its reliability and consistent performance across different growing seasons. Oceanside is a slow to moderate growing dark green spinach variety with nice thick leaves that grow in an upright plant habit. The variety features uniform smooth round to oval leaves that are deep green in color. The leaves are thick but tender, and at full maturity, large broad leaves still provide excellent silky texture and mild sweet flavor. The upright growth habit makes harvesting easier and keeps leaves cleaner by reducing soil contact. Plants produce consistently uniform foliage, making them ideal for baby leaf production or full-size harvest. Oceanside thrives in cool weather and prefers mild temperatures between 50 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The variety is frost-tolerant and very cold-hardy. Fall-sown plants may overwinter even in climates with sub-zero temperatures. Prepare fertile, well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. Sow seeds in early spring, 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost, or in late summer, early fall for extended harvest. For baby leaf production, sow seeds in 2 to 4 inch wide bands, spacing them 3 to 4 inches apart. Keep soil consistently moist throughout the growing season. Dry soil combined with long days and warm temperatures encourages bolting. Baby leaves mature in just 25 to 30 days, while full-size plants reach maturity in 40 to 60 days. Succession plant every 1 to 2 weeks for continuous harvest. Oceanside pairs beautifully with cool season crops like lettuce, arugula, and other salad greens. Plant alongside radishes, carrots, and beets. Their root systems won't compete with spinach's shallow roots. Taller crops like peas provide beneficial afternoon shade during warmer weather, helping prevent premature bolting. Compatible herbs include cilantro, dill, and chives. Avoid planting near brassicas or potatoes, which can stunt growth. The compact, upright habit makes Oceanside excellent for container gardening and interplanting in small spaces. Oceanside is perfect for tender baby greens with deep green, flavorful, easy to clean leaves. The versatile leaves excel in fresh salads, providing vitamins A, C, E, K, iron, and powerful antioxidants. Add to stir fries at the last minute to preserve nutrients. Puree into soups for velvety texture or use in traditional Japanese dishes. The mild sweet flavor works beautifully in smoothies, quiches, and pasta dishes. Young leaves need minimum washing due to the upright growth habit, saving time in the kitchen. And that wraps up today's plant profile. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this plant profile and like to see more of them, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy gardening.